So today I was mounting my external hard disk, which is formatted using NTFS. Now, of course, I was able to mount on my Arch Linux and it worked fine. No, it didn't work fine because I was not really able to write anything to that particular external hard disk that was formatted using NTFS. Now, in case you want to write something to that particular hard disk or any hard disk where you have uh, the file system formatted using NTFS, you need to use this utility. You need to install this utility called NTFS 3G, which is, I believe, if you look at the Arch Linux documentation, it says NTFS 3G is an open source implementation of Microsoft NTFS that includes read and write support. Now, the way this works is extremely simple. All you need to do, you need to simply install NTFS 3G, NTFS 3G, and then after installing it, continue mounting the way you mount. So simply use the mount command and it will then work. So I did this installation and it worked wonderfully well for me. I've already installed NTFS 3G, so I'm not really going to install it again, but I just thought I'll share it with all of you guys in case you are struggling to write something to your NTFS based hard disk. So that is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.